Meaning of gimme.
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 Gimme. Gimme is a colloquial contraction of the phrase give me. It is commonly used in informal and casual conversations to express a desire or request for something. The word has become popularized in pop culture as it is often used in movies, music, and social media platforms. It is sometimes considered rude when used in more formal settings or with people you are not familiar with. Overall, gimme serves as an efficient way to express a request or desire in a casual and informal manner.